Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the free Jollie Crossbody bag in Heartopia. So in this spring season, Heartopia has a new daily event, Spark of Romance, that on this event there are a daily quest that you must claim collaboration role and then do the link with your friends to obtain link signals, circular signals and square signals like this. And from this daily quest you will get the signal points, and when you reach the 200 signal points you will unlock this jolly crossbody pack like this. So just complete your daily quest and then obtain more points to unlock this pack. And for the looks, this bag looks like this. It's so cute. This one, it has a round shape like this with the cute expressions like this. I think it's so cute. And okay, that's it. That's how you can get this cute bag, jolly crossbody bag like this. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.